Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create the text overlay in CapCut PC. Alright, I think this is super simple. You are just going to add the black screen to the track and select text or add the text. So select the bold text and you are just going to change the text. For instance, alright, go, and you can also add the animation. So I'm just going to add loop animation. So select the web, so, and then you are just going to export the export button and just click export. Just wait for the exporting. So delete the project, go to media and select material you want to edit, and just going to import that created. So here, text overlay I have created. Just add and make it as an overlay, put on top the clip. Here we go, and you are just going to select mode overlay, the select overlay like so. Yeah, this is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.